I gave you my heart.
Alright, now part 2 of the Base Junkie 2020 Sundown Xv2 15 recones. They'll be here tomorrow evening. Right now we're going to get this poured off and get them X's out. Oh, and part 1, you guys seen the blower. I didn't want to run all the way down to Lowe's because it's kind of far from where I live, because I do live like in a rural area. It's close to this city, but it's a small town. But yeah, so I did fiberglass for years and years. I built boats for Hake Yachts in Florida. I built fish mouths for Bass Pro Shops, for Mike Kirkhart at New Wave Taxidermy. I built motorcycle fairings for Godfather Racing. Pretty good at fiberglass, you know what I mean? So I had some resin, I had some Epique, so I already put the epoxy on this earlier. This old blower that my boss gave me. Straps were messed up. This was broke at the top. If you've seen the first video, you've seen where it was cracked. And one of my videos before where it was all the way off. You couldn't even pick this up. But I just took some towels I had out here, some old rags, cut them into some strips, put some resin on them, and just put them on here. Just kind of scuffed them up a little bit, get all the, you know, thorns off of it so you don't get stuck by nothing but burrs and whatever you want to call them. So yeah, it's good, man. I mean, this thing will fire up. Let's see. Let's check her out. Choke on there. Hell yeah. Tell you, boy. The old steel blower, boy, kicking hard. And now its straps are fixed. You pick it up, it's good. Crazy kook. That's my crazy kook right there. He's a crazy boy. He's crazy, crazy, crazy. There's Wacky and Miley. That's actually Blackie, but I call him Wacky. I call him Wackadoodle. And that's Miley Boo. And that's Cuckoo. His real name's Coco, but I call him Cuckoo because he's crazy. He's a crazy pup. Crazy. That's crazy. Get that crazy pup. Get that crazy pup. Get that crazy pup. Anyway, back to this car. Let's get in here and get this thing off. Let me put them dogs up. I'm going to set this tripod up here and go ahead and get busy. Alright guys, now I got to get all these screws out. I'm going to show you real quick. This is the pain in the butt part. It's just a lot of screws because you got to have a lot of screws to hold it in. I'm actually going to put this thing up here in a second. But see, it's from this row all the way down, all the way up, all the way across, and all the way down. Hold on, let me get it over there so you can see it. This is for the lights. I just never fixed them. These got to be installed on the top still. Just never have time to do shit. But yeah, they go all the way down. Boom. You know what I mean? So I can get all those out. I've took them out numerous times. No big deal. Oh, damn, I forgot to get the damn new lights. I'm going to take these out anyway. I'm going to be putting the baffle back on, but I'm going to put a few screws here and there because we're going to be doing the recones, so the subs won't be in here. But I'll put this all back on just to have it on there. So, and I'll get the new lights. I got to remember to do that. So anyway, let me put this up here and mount it up here on the dash, and you guys can check it out. All right, that'll work. Let's get to work on this. Here we go. Actually, I need to move this seat up a little more or something. There we go. That thing was too close. Need room. A lot of screws, dudes. I had to put some of these at that. See how easy that comes out? Push the light wire through, even though the rest stuff, I'll still do it. Actually, yeah, it goes through there like that. So I want to rip them up through here. So push it in. Get the USB piece to go through. I think that's how I got it in there. It's got a little bit of all weather caulking, so it makes it a little bit hard. Get like this, ouch, so I can work with it a little easier. No, actually, I think I had them come through this way. That's right, I did. I didn't have it that way, but I was thinking. That's what's wrong with this thing too. I'm not gonna take off. Well, they ripped anyway. I need new ones, so it doesn't matter. Go ahead and take them out. They're out. Take the port out. We out. Yes, sir. All right, we in the box. All right, we in the box now. I don't know how much y'all seen. When I edit, I'll check it out. All right, you guys, we're gonna figure out which one of these bits go on these lag bolts. Give me a sec here. I think maybe this one. Let me check it. Yep. Now which one is this? 7/16. You can't see, it's too dark in there. Doesn't matter. There's one of the lag bolts. See the magnetism pull towards the camera. I forget over there. It's pulling the screw towards it. There's screws. They're like 2.5 inches, I think. They've never came loose, so I recommend these, the hexagon heads. Check them out. It's so warm. Now it's just a matter of getting all these lag bolts out. Kind of runs the basket, even with the extension. Oh shit, damn bit came loose. Alright, I'll show you guys more when I get them out. Watch me a little bit from this way. Damn bit came out again. So I got these lag bolts kind of sunk into the gasket a little bit. I'll push a little pressure on them to get them out. Sorry I was talking so low. Just kind of chilling on Sunday, you know. Been a long week working. Been tired, man. Sorry. You couldn't hear me before. All this is always work, dude. So I think there's only one more. Ah, come on. Yep, one more back here in this corner. This one's hard to get to. Oh, come on, get on there. Tell you boys, it ain't easy being cheesy. Oh, good Lord. Now they should just pop right out of there. Hold on a second. All right, now we're gonna try to get one of these babies out of here. Move these pieces out of the way. And to let you know, these wires, these sub-amp wires, are unhooked from the amplifier. I'll show you in a second. Give me a second. These things ain't light. Oh, did I miss one? Oh, yeah, I did. Hold on. There's one right there. That's it. All right. This is how I do it. And then I gotta try to sit on my lap. And then a big old meaty surrounds on that baby. Yeah, yo. Sundown X15, baby. Fixing to get reconed. This is the one that's bad too. Big old booty. Hell yeah. It's coming out. Oh. Alright, now we're going to go for the second one. Oh, I must have missed a screw on it too. Hold on. I don't feel one. No, maybe it's just stuck. Oh, it was. Just stuck from heat and the paint that's on here. Oh! Okay. Now this one supposedly is good. Oh, okay. My box is double baffled inside. Oh! Alright. The other Sundown Xv2. There you go. Damn. Whew. Alright, let me get this one out. To show you this double baffled, you see where the screws went through in a couple places. I tried patching them up. I'm gonna try to fix that before I put everything back in here. It looks rough in here, but I need to really grind them screw heads off that are coming from the 2x4s and everything else. But I know it's a little crude, but it works. And I'm gonna end up making it nicer. But for now, I gotta worry about just getting these subs reconed. Anyway, let's get to that. I got them in here. Whew, it's freaking hot. See, I'll show you that I have the sub wires on hooked. So that's all good. And there they are, them babies. Paint got on the gasket. I'd really like to have them where they were both, you know, the cones on them sticking out instead of in fourth order on a wall. These are some good looking subs. So we're gonna hook the multimeter up and see what they do. Alright guys, I think this one's the bad one right here. I'm gonna stick this in the positive and this one in the, see, it says OL and the negative. Saying 4. Well, maybe this is the good one. Maybe this is a good one. The radio's playing, so it picks up sound. It's got to be like completely silent, and there's bugs and everything else outside. See how it rises and drops as I talk? So that coil's good. Let me check the other one. I don't know. Make sure it's touching it. This one's good too. Looks like a little lower than the other one. Not really. They're about to good. So this is a good one right here. This is the good sub. Check this one over here. Three ohms. See? 2.9. Well, maybe not. Huh. Picking up sound. Alright, well, maybe it's this coil then. It's one of them. I know it is. I told you I thought like 1.5 subs were playing, so see if I'm right. This one looks like nothing coming out of it. Let me touch it up here. See, I'm touching it. Nothing. This one's dead. So, yep. I told you one of the coils were bad. This is the bad sub here. So, I'm going to mark this right now that this is the bad coil. Even though I'm going to take them all out. But I told you one of the coils wasn't good. This one's still good. But I'm going to recone it anyway. This one has... it don't even really have that bad rub marks on it, to tell you the truth. But, yeah, I guess it does. A little bit right here. Turn the light on so you can see it better. See that? It's kind of deep there. That's when the screws broke and it was off centered and it was rubbing against the cutout holes. So, but yeah, this one ain't reading anything. So I can put it on this one over here. This thing's got so many tensile leads too. I think there's like 4 of them, dudes. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 tensile leads on these things. I'm getting the new recones tomorrow. I can't wait to unbox them and show you guys those things. I want to have these ready to slap them in. So I'm getting the baskets ready today. See how that one's reading? But this one, nothing. So yeah. Anyway, that's what's up. Mega roll surrounds. 2 Sundown Xv2 version 2 15s. Dual 4-ohms. Big booties. Looking good. I'm going to switch them out for the ZV6s soon, but we're going to work with these. Getting the recones tomorrow. Let's get the baskets ready. Let's do the damn thing.